Alright, it's finally time to make the third part of the three-part year-ending 2021 videos I was planning on making. And this one is focusing on just one artist. I managed to pick up quite a few of her albums right at the end of the year. And I guess make a little bit of a focus on her. Now, this artist is currently 76 years old. She was born in 1945 and has sold over 55 million copies of her albums in the pop, country, and adult contemporary styles. I am, of course, talking about none other than Morna. That is Morna Ann Murray, better known just as Ann Murray. According to searching on the great web there, she's recorded 56 albums and has 100 compilation albums and 128 singles to her name, as well as 8 unofficial albums and 12 unofficial compilations that are attributed to her. Murray has a whole pile of firsts to her name. She was the first Canadian solo singer to reach #1 on the US charts. She was the first to earn a gold record for one of her signature songs, Snowbird. She was the first woman and the first Canadian to win Album of the Year in the 1984 Country Music Association Awards for her album, A Little Good News, that went gold. She has also received 4 Grammys and 24 Junos, which in itself is a record. She has 3 American Music Awards, 3 Country Music Association Awards, and 3 Canadian Country Music Association Awards. She's been inducted into the Canadian Country Music Hall of Fame, the Juno Hall of Fame, the Canadian Songwriters Hall of Fame, and the Canadian Broadcasters Hall of Fame. She's also a member of the Country Music Hall of Fame Walkway of the Stars in Nashville, and has her own Stars on the Walk of Fame in both Los Angeles and in Toronto. My Ann Murray collection doesn't come anywhere near to have all of her albums, but I'm going to convert to a flip video at this point and go through the ones I do have. Enjoy.